Starting us off, one of my favorite deals on the Loves. This is a no coupons needed deal. IBOTTA straight, so these are $5.47. There's a $3 IBOTTA coming off of these, making these just $2.47. Every time these come out, I make sure I pick them up because it is a great deal not to. Even if you don't have kids, you can definitely save these for a baby shower or just donate till later. So yep, $2.47 on the Loves diapers. So every single time I try to do this deal, they never have these $1.97 dryer sheets for Snuggle. So what you could do if you had them for $1.97 is use this $1.50 coupon, and when you do, it's just gonna make it 47 cents for these dryer sheets. But my store never has them, so I'm just gonna not even think about it anymore. So I'm gonna get the next best thing, and it's gonna be on these Snuggle Blue Sparkle. And the reason I'm doing this is because this is a higher count on these. These are 120 sheets. They're $4.47. We can use this $1.50 coupon because it's only on any one Snuggle product. So these are $4.47. We're gonna use this $1.50 coupon that we just got out in yesterday's paper. So that would have been the, what, $2.20 paper. And then we also have a 75-cent IBOTTA that we can use up to 5 times on this if you would like, making these just $2.22. So it's going to be less than 50% off for this big box of Snuggle. Now I did think about doing this instead. My next best option was this Snuggle Exhilarations. Is 70 count. They're $3.47 using this $1.50 coupon. It's not going to be a good a deal. It's not going to be half off. So I think if you get the bigger box, if your store doesn't have the very small box, using that $1.50 coupon and then also that 75-cent IBOTTA, it's a much better deal. Alright guys, so this all free and clear is a really great deal at just 47 cents today. My brother uses this all free and clear. He has a baby and so he likes it. Also, if you do not use the all free and clear, you can donate it to somebody or give it for a baby shower gift because this is so much cheaper than getting the draft products because it's free and clear, of course, with no perfumes or whatever in it. So these are $3.47. We have these $1.50 coupon that just came out in yesterday's paper. That was going to be the $2.20 paper. So $1.50 coupon. And then we also have a $1.50 IBOTTA rebate, and that can be done up to 2 times per transaction. So with that $1.50 rebate and that $1.50 coupon, it will make these just 47 cents each. So great deal on the all free and clear. Oh goodness, look at this Tylenol, kids Tylenol, $3. Guys, I always check my clearance section. They have been moving my clearance section all over the place, but this children's Tylenol is just $3, and I have this $1.50 coupon that we just got 2 weeks ago in the paper. So definitely gonna be picking up both of these children's Tylenol using that $1.50 coupon, and we'll be saving $1.50 and included, I don't know what these are, usually probably like $5 or $6, whatever, but 50% off on that children's Tylenol with that $1.50 coupon. So can't beat it, can't beat it. Picking it up. Alright guys, so you know I'm all about being practical on my channel, and one of those things is toilet paper. Now before the pandemic, I got toilet paper always for free. I never paid for toilet paper. If I did, I might have paid like 50 cents or paid the taxes on it. But here we are. I'm about to pay $10.38 for, sorry, 28 cents, $10.28 for this Quilted Northern. This is the 48 count roll. I would suggest to get the purple pack, not the blue pack. The blue pack is $13.23, so it's a little bit more. We have an IBOTTA rebate for $1.50 off on this, and then we also have a $1 coupon. If you don't have this coupon, you can go to the Quilted Northern website. They always have coupons. I think they send them to in your email. So the $1.50 IBOTTA rebate and the $1 coupon, that's $2.50 in savings. So that's going to bring this down to $2.28 per pack of toilet paper, which is pretty good considering we don't get them like we used to. So pick it up if you can. Next I'm getting is on the Microban bathroom cleaner. This is the citrus scent. These are $3.94. We have a $2 IBOTTA rebate on these, making this just $1.94. So it's a pretty great deal on this Microban cleaner. Alright guys, my kids love the Ritz toasted chips, like cracker chips, sour cream and onion. They're their favorite. So these are $2.68. And there's a $1 IBOTTA coming off or giving it back to you, making these just $1.68. Now there are coupons out there. If you spend so much on so many Nabisco products, you'll get $1 back or 75-cent back. But I'm just gonna pick up one of these bags and use that $1 IBOTTA, making this just $1.68 for my kiddos. All right, next thing I'm picking up are these blue chips. These are the Garden of Eden. This ridiculous bag they made for this because it's like all that was just air. Look at that. These are $3.88. My daughter loves blue chips, so I'm picking these up for her. And I'm also going to pick up some salsa as well. I think it's going to be free. So $3.88. We're going to submit to Swagbucks for $1.50. And then we'll submit to Checkout 51 for $1.23 back. It says on my app that there's not many of these left, so pick them up if you can. When you do that, you're totally, just for a second, you're $1.15 for the bag of chips. So from $3.88 to $1.15 is a pretty great deal, and we're using both apps, Checkout 51 and also Swagbucks. No paper coupons needed for this. Been looking and looking for these cheese crispers for quite some time. These are $2.93. There's a 50% BOGO on IBOTTA, giving you back $2.93, but you have to buy two. So you're gonna pick up two of these at $2.93 each, and they're gonna give you back $2.93. So one of them will be free. All right, so we have a 10 cent on any bagged candy, and these sweet tart roats, my daughter loves these. They're just $1, and you're gonna get 10 cents back on these. So I know this isn't like an amazing deal, but I try to use up those any offers to hit my IBOTTA bonuses because it always helps. And so it's gonna make these sweet tart roats just 90 cents after that 10 cent rebate. All right, guys, so just got back from Walmart, and I didn't realize some things. On Swagbucks, Nabisco is coming off on Swagbucks for $1. So that was even better. And I actually got this as a money maker on these because I was able to submit $1 on Checkout 51 as well. So this actually ended up being a money maker on the Ritz because I submitted to IBOTTA, Checkout 51, and on Swagbucks for $1 on the Nabisco Ritz. With Checkout 51, I was able to get $1 back on each of those. So this actually made this just $2. I think in what, 53? So it just made it 53 cents. So it's about 25 cents each on these. So 25 cents each or so on those because I was able to submit both of those on Checkout 51. So that was a great deal on that. So I had about $4 more that I didn't expect to come off on these transactions. So makes me really happy when I get home and kind of check my receipts and see that I actually have $4 more off on the items. All right, guys, I will see you next time. We'll be headed to Publix. Yep, Publix next time.